हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, टुडे विल वी डिस्कस अबाउट सीवी राइटिंग। आज हम सीवी राइटिंग के बारे में बात करेंगे। ओके, मीनिंग इसका पहले पढ़ेंगे। ए करिकुलम वाइटी इज अ ब्रीफ रिटन अकाउंट ऑफ वंस पास्ट हिस्ट्री, एजुकेशन, एम्प्लॉयमेंट यूज्ड व्हेन अप्लाइंग फॉर अ पोजीशन etc. It is a summary account of one's personal details, education and the job one has hand. One is often asked to send a curriculum vitae when one is applying for a job. देखिए, जो करिकुलम वाइटी है किसी व्यक्ति के जीवन का वह संक्षिप्त ब्यौरा है जिसमें उसकी शिक्षा, रोजगार और अन्य अचीवमेंट्स का उल्लेख होता है। जब कोई व्यक्ति किसी कंपनी में नौकरी के लिए आवेदन करता है तब उसे एक ऐसा ही प्रार्थना पत्र देना होता है जिसमें उसका एड्रेस, कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर, एजुकेशन और जो भी उसने पास्ट में नौकरियां की हैं ऐसी अचीवमेंट्स का उल्लेख होता है जो उसे नई नौकरी प्राप्त करने में सहायक बन सके। The CV writing is a form of marketing or advertising. When the product is used, your CV must sell you to a prospective employer and compete against other applications who are also trying to sell themselves. So the challenge in CV writing is to be more appealing and attractive than the rest. Okay. This means that your curriculum vitae must be presented professionally, clearly, and in a way that indicates that you are an ideal candidate for the job. You possess the right skills, experience, behavior, attitude, morality that the employer is seeking. The way you present your CV effectively demonstrates your ability in the communicate and particularly to explain a professional business propositions. इसका पर्पज क्या होता है? Having a good CV is essential for full-time jobs, part-time, interval, external promotions, new jobs, career change, internships and work experience, placements. Whenever an employer or decision maker is shortlisting or interviewing or selecting applicants. Video CV. A CV does not have to be text document. It can be a video. The technology exists now for anyone to create a video CV and to upload it onto a website, including this one. The personal data on a CV uploaded or stored electronically is subject to security risk from accidental release of data or deliberate hacking and identity theft. अब पढ़ेंगे हम इसके करेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ गुड सीवी। एक करेक्टर जो गुड सीवी कैसा होना चाहिए। ओके, पहला होना चाहिए सिंपल एंड कंसाइज। एक गुड सीवी शुड बी सिंपल, कंसाइज एंड इजी टू रीड। पढ़ने में इजी होना चाहिए एंड दैट इट मस्ट सेल यू। अ करिकुलम वाइटे मस्ट बी टेलर्ड टू व्हाट द रीडर इज लुकिंग फॉर। नेक्स्ट, एम्फेसिस एंड एट्रीब्यूट्स। One should not put a lot of emphasis on one's academic qualifications. In one's CV, it is important to emphasize one's attribute in strong, relevant, and expressive terms because modesty does not work well on any CV. So one should emphasize one's capability and attitude and appreciation. Next, integrity and reputation. Lying in a CV, especially about one's qualifications, is a risky strategy. One should avoid any such temptations. Integrity and reputation are more important than qualifications. Okay, next है contact and address details. Put the contact and address details at the foot of the CV for middle and senior job vacancies when you want maximum impact for your job related strengths. नेक्स्ट पर्सनल डिटेल्स होनी चाहिए क्या क्या. In most markets, including the modern employment discrimination law, has reduced the need and expectation for many personal details relating to age, ethnicity, marital status, etc. to be included in a CV aside from obviously necessary contact details. The level of personal details you must include is now optional. This is a particular consideration if you are posting or allowing your CV to appear on the web, where privacy can more easily be invaded or identities stolen. Next, experience. This is not your career history, it is a bullet point descriptions of your experience and your capabilities. Make sure you orientate these simple statements to meet the requirements of the reader. In other words, ensure the experience strengths are relevant to the type of job responsibility that you are seeking. Next, achievements. One must show achievements and qualities from one's life relevant to the jobs such as leadership, teamwork, creativity, initiative, problem solving, self motivation, discipline, reliability, persistence and determinations, compassion and humanity, and specific abilities with numbers, language and communications. A very specific document. A curriculum variety is a very specific document for a very specific purpose. It is not a biography, it's not a Facebook page, it is not a personal file or meeting note, it is not any of countless other types of documents and files that could carry a person's name in the heading. So presentation of one's CV needs to be of a high quality, clean, professional and up to date. नेक्स्ट है इसके टाइप्स ऑफ CV. फर्स्ट है chronological CV. This type of CV is most commonly used. This type of CV gives personal details, name, contact details, key qualifications and इसमें क्या होता है प्रोफेशनल मेंबरशिप, हॉबीज and personal interest in a certain sequences. Next, a functional CV. The functional CV begins with a focus on the candidate's personal profile, his achievements, skills and personal qualities. This kind of CV also provides other details but in order of importance and relative merits. Okay. Next, a combined CV. Combined CV, this type of CV is a combination of first two types of CV in which chronological details along with functional details are provided. Next है हमारा emailed CV. This type of CV is beamed through email with a covering letter inserted in the main body of email. It should be written in the plain text so that it can be read by any email reader. Next, web CV and electronically scanned CV. This type of CVs are very useful for giving direct information because such CVs contain graphics, colors, hyperlinks, videos and sound animations. देखिए जब हम CV बनाते हैं तो उसमें एजुकेशन क्वालिफिकेशंस, एक्सपीरियंस, स्पेशलाइजेशन, कैरियर हिस्ट्री, रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी एंड अचीवमेंट्स, ये इसके जो है पॉइंट होते हैं, जो हेडिंग होते हैं. गुड को प्लस और लास्ट में जो है नेम लिखा जाता है. इसके जो पर्पज़ हैं, इसकी जो करेक्टरिस्टिक्स हैं, ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट हैं. ओके, दिस देखिए जो है CV इज़ अ पर्टिकुलर कंसिडरेशन इफ़ यू आर पोस्टिंग और अलाउइंग योर CV to appear on the web, where privacy can more easily be invaded or identities stolen. Therefore, be cautious and sensible about how much personal details you show in a CV. See the notes about CV personal details. And in other words, ensure the experience strengths are relevant to the types of job responsibility that you are seeking. Try to be powerful statements and impressive language. Be bold and check that your chosen language and descriptions look confident and positive. And put your contact and address details the top of the CV. If you have the slightest feeling that the vacancy or the screening process involves processing large numbers of applications, and in which basic skills and basic personal circumstances are the priority screening and the selection criteria. This means that your curriculum vitae must be presented professionally, clearly, and in a way that indicates that you are an ideal candidate for the job. You possess the right skills, experience, behavior, attitude, morality that the employer is seeking. The way you present your CV effectively demonstrates your ability to communicate and particularly to explain a professional business propositions.